Welcome back to our Python series. Last time we explored the interactive shell and simple expressions. Today we're diving into Python's math operators and how they work together, including the order of operations. Let's jump in. Python has several math operators for calculations. Let's try them into interactive shell. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First we have addition. An expression something like 2 plus 3 gives us 5. For subtraction, we have something like 5 minus 2, it gives us 3. For multiplication, something like 2 times 5 is 10. And for division, something like 22 divided by 8, it gives us 2.75. There are also special operators. For example, the integer division, which rounds down. But what does that mean? For example, 2 divided by 8, it gives us the integer number 2. It's because this operator rounds down the number. The next one, we have the remainder operator, which gives us the remainder. For example, the remainder of 22 divided by 8 is 6. This is the remainder operator. Or the remainder of 10 divided by 3 is 1. It's because 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 is the remainder. Or something like 23 divided by 7, the remainder is 2 because 7 times 3 is 21 and the remainder is 2. Next one, we have the power operator. It's for exponents. For example, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, or 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Now what happens when you combine operators? Python follows an order of operations, just like math class. But what I mean by that? The power operator comes first, then the multiplication, the division, the integer division, and then the remainder operator, and lastly the addition and subtraction operators, and the order is left to right. Let's try something simple, something like 2 plus 3 times 6. What do you think is the result? 2 plus 3 times 6. What do you think the result is? Let's try it in the interactive shell. 2 plus 3 times 6. It's 20. But why is that? It's because Python does 3 times 6 first, it's 18, and then adds 2, which gives us 20. But what happens when we want to do 2 plus 3 first and then multiply it by 6? In that case, we need to use the parentheses. We need to do something like 2 plus 3 in the parentheses and then multiply it by 6. It gives us the result of 30. It does 2 plus 3 first, gives us 5, and then 5 times 6 is 30. And let's try a big number. For example, something like 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, 8, 78 times 5, 7, 8, 4, 5, 3. It gives us this big number, and that shows us that Python can handle big numbers easily. Awesome. You now know Python's math operators and how order of operations work. Practice this in idle. Try something like 10 times 2, 10 times 2 plus 5, or something like 10 times 2 plus 5 in the parentheses and see what happens. Okay, guys, next time we'll look at expressions and what happens when Python doesn't understand your code. Subscribe and see you soon.